Mastering everyday English. Give it a good kick. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, sports, or everyday conversations. Give it a good kick. This expression is a great example of how English speakers use vivid language to convey action and intensity. So, let's break it down together. Give it a good kick is a phrase that, on the surface, sounds straightforward. It combines the verb give, the pronoun it, and the phrase a good kick. Literally, it suggests applying a strong force with your foot against something. However, the beauty of English lies in its figurative expressions, and this phrase is no exception. Literal use. In its literal sense, give it a good kick is often used in contexts where someone is actually kicking something, like a ball in soccer. The speaker is encouraging a strong, forceful kick to achieve a goal, such as scoring in a game or moving something heavy. Figurative use. The figurative use of give it a good kick is more abstract. It means to put a lot of effort into something, to try hard, or to make a significant push towards achieving a goal. It's about applying a metaphorical kick to jumpstart or improve a situation. To fully grasp, give it a good kick, let's look at some examples. In sports, the ball is right in front of the goal. Just give it a good kick. In work or projects, this project needs a bit more effort. Let's give it a good kick to meet our deadline. In personal motivation, I've been procrastinating on starting my diet. It's time to give it a good kick. Understanding phrases like give it a good kick enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the language's depth and creativity. Whether you're literally kicking a ball or figuratively kicking your motivation into high gear, this expression is a powerful reminder of the impact of action and effort. We hope this video helps you understand and use give it a good kick confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give your English learning journey a good kick every day.